Suitable wire gauge and type to upgrade service to garage subpanel? I currently have a subpanel in my detached garage, fed from a 30-amp breaker in my main panel in the house. The wire run is through conduit on the exterior of my home. I would estimate it at 30-50 feet long just to shoot high. I am wanting to upgrade the garage to 100A service and am having some trouble determining what gauge and style of conductor would be most suitable for my application. I am planning to install an electric heater and potentially also want the room to power a welder later on, as well as some machine shop tools I already have. I used a voltage drop calculator from Southwire that suggested 1 Aruban fluorine copper, but I've also seen suggestions online that 3 or 4 gauge copper may be acceptable. I am open to copper or aluminum options. Is there any NEC guidance on this I could refer to? Otherwise, I'll take friendly advice. Thanks in advance. Question from user just as planned at Stack Exchange. Answer: something is wrong with your parameters used for Southwire. 50 at minimum legal size 3cu 100A is less than 1% voltage drop, no need to upsize. Minimum allowed size is determined by NEC Table 310. 16 using the column that aligns with the max temperature rating of your panel and breakers, which in all likelihood is 75 degrees. C1L or 3Cu would be minimum size for 100A, but market forces make 90A2L mobile home feeder fed by 90A breaker to a 100A or bigger panel is a very good budget option and certainly large enough for the loads you presented. Your new subpanel must have an amperage rating at least as large as feeder, but can be higher. Large panels are always good. A load calc as prescribed by the NEC will to determine if your existing panel service is large enough to support the added loads will likely be required to get approval by your local authority. Answer from user: no sparks please at Stack Exchange.